Again, if Ebuka Obi was nobody na 2017, Casey man now so aho onye for straight 1 year. Sagazla minister ya, Sagazla associate with him. Casey say advice. Casey sagwe onye owo. Casey sagwe okoko. Casey sagwa no onye iberibe ofeke. Casey sagwe de ofeke. Don't let them to intimidate you. Who is intimidating him? That means he is already strong. That means he is already big. And somebody wants to compress him. He needs his advice. Don't be intimidated. Don't be intimidated. Eba Gano Waziri. It happens to be a Holy Week. Asazioko. Eba Keji was there. And everybody knows. Everybody now go back to Enugu. Mara na mmadeji camera be eba. No one ministry camera. Nese photo de. Oh, one ministry camera nese photo nere because you can't snap there. And as at then, Ebuka baby to be garba around with media people like today. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. 30:41. Once it is 50, I'll go straight to the message, and then I'll log off. I'm going to prepare for open heaven. I'm just coming back now. When I typed that I'm going to come live, I was still driving home, though my driver driving better. I was still on the way. So once we are 50 here, 48, once we are 50 here, I will move. 49. Okay, 50. Good evening, everybody. Just a quick one. I want to drop a quick one. And this message that will only about 5 minutes. One, Ohe Basara. Asapoko, Asahoko. Asapoko, Asahoko. Asachajoko. Amapona ministry work and the prophetic work. One is that now. One particular thing I want to bring to people's notice is that ZAR ministry started functioning according to the record registered with the CAC. ZAR ministry started functioning in 2009. In 2009, when the ZAR ministry no exist. In 2009. Now, I've been at 2017. Evangelist Ebuka Obi. When a problem, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, when I hope you guys are hearing me. Let me see it on the comment section that you guys are hearing me. Are you guys hearing me? Let me see it on the comment section that you guys are hearing what I'm saying. Let me see 1 or 2 people saying we are hearing you. I am not seeing anything on the comment section. Are you guys hearing me? Let me see that you are hearing me. Are you guys hearing me? Okay, good. We are good to go. People are hearing me. So in 2009, ZAR ministry started. Anybody have access to CAC office to go and verify these things before getting go online? Just a quick one, yes. ZAR ministry started in 2009, and they started functioning and doing well up to 2017, when ZAR ministry was already having problems with the mother church in Lagos State. That was when Evangelist Ebuka Obi was seeking for advice. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is seeking for advice. Oya will watch your advice, Gabe Enugu. And Evangelist Ebuka Obi Enugu, he did not beg anybody to wash his leg. And the picture, anybody they used to Enugu gathering, ebe asara Evangelist Ebuka Obi na 2017. Anybody na aga there ma ọ gatụgo there for na ndị foto na ebe ahụ na-ese foto na-anara ego, more especially when they see that na ya akwụnwe ụgwọ, even ha ga-emecha gị the enlargement butere gị, and nobody as at then Prophet Ebuka Obi ejibeghị cameramen and women na-agagharị, and even if you have onye ọbụla na-aga ebe a n'Enugu ma that na a na-ekwe mmadụ were camera bata there to come and snap. So it was still the ministry or the church cameramen who took those pictures. Putran Ebanasa Evangelist Ebuka Obi on 2017. So Evangelist Ebuka Obi only went there for advice and guidance. Advice and guidelines. Could happy make mistake based on the problem on the facing with the mother church in Lagos. He was even begged. Now, let us put it this way. Oh, video not online. Oh, video not online. They fire no. Oh, video not online. They fire no. They fire. Ebuka Obi, you are spiritually qualified. Ebuka Obi, don't let them. I want you to underline something here. Ebuka Obi, don't let them to intimidate you. That means Ebuka Obi is already doing well, and somebody wants to intimidate him, and someone is now encouraging him not to be intimidated, not to allow himself to be intimidated. Ebuka Obi, don't let them to intimidate you. Ebuka Obi, don't let them to intimidate you. Ebuka Obi, don't let them to intimidate you. Who is intimidating Ebuka Obi? That means Ebuka Obi is already doing well, and somebody somewhere or some people somewhere is trying to bring him down with intimidation. So anybody who a Catholic in the Lagos state, anybody who a Catholic in the Lagos state, man, na 2017, no one published Ebuka Obi and Zam Ministry na bulletin the whole Lagos state. Oh man, announced Ebuka Obi for almost 1 year na radio and the whole Catholic church in the Lagos state. Ụmụnna na ụmụnne m, onye na-enwere ihe ọ na-eme, onye na-enwere ihe o menwuru, enwere ike ire announce ahụ ya na radio. Onye na-enwe onye ọwụ, onye na-enweghị onye ọwụ, aga na-apụtakwa na radio na-eme announce ahụ ya, na-akpa aha ya back to back, na-akpa aha ya back to back, na-akpa aha ya back to back. Unu agazila ebe dị ụta, unu agazila ebe dị ụta. His name was written in bulletin in Lagos state for 1 good year. For 1 good year. Onye nwere ihe onye ọwụ ewere ede afọ ya wụrụzie no asasị agụ ụkwụ about into ministry. I don't know that. What is going on? Like, what exactly is going on? Ya wụrụ onye Ebuka Obi before that 2017. Ebuka Obi, don't allow them to intimidate you. Like, who is intimidating him? Can you intimidate an MT? Can you intimidate something that nobody on email? Who is intimidating him then? Who is intimidating him? That means Ebuka Obi go off man. That means Ebuka Obi go a star. And somebody is now advising him, don't let them to intimidate you. Mmadụ wuru oke ya wuzulu oke ya rụrụ ala. Mmadụ wuru oke ya na-ekwu eziokwu. Ha asacha agụ ụkwụ, ejeze ya sna ebe lagana me. Ebuka Obi have been doing well in ministry before 2017. Ebuka Obi started since 2009 and was doing well. The mother church in Huya as a very big threat. And I took up in Huya. He only went to a father who he not got confide on for advice and guidelines. Or happy mistake. Or happy wrong with the mother church. That is on 2017. Let us be guided. Amami here meri Igbo ihe. And I don't know how we got to this point. Let us be guided. Can you threaten an MT? Can an MT be intimidated? This is somebody you encourage. Don't be intimidated. By who? Who is intimidating him? And that was exactly the advice He came seeking from you. Who is it? Who is intimidating him that made you to advise him? Don't be intimidated. Don't be intimidated. I gave him 7 advice. Don't be intimidated. Don't be intimidated. You say it more than 3-4 times. Anyways, the truth is that no matter how you bring it here, we know the group of people who doesn't accept what is right and the truth in an Igbo, who is always against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. We know them already. But Yawona Hawepu Anyufu the Ekworo. Hawepu Anyufu the Ekworo. The baby Kobido. Ga back, Galile video. Ojonia Wekuputa. Don't be intimidated. Like exactly who was intimidated Ebuka Obi? Ebuka Obi has already doing marvelous well, perfectly well. Growth. We are here with this evidence now. Growth. Otito Zab ministry. But like I said, I don't want to waste your time. This is the few things I'm trying to drop. I can drop at this point. Come pay people anya. I can drop at this point. Come pay people anya. I got the old video. Ebuka Obi, don't be intimidated. Don't be intimidated. Don't be intimidated. Why they beat that soul down? Who was intimidated? If Ebuka Obi did not run to you to tell you that someone is intimidating him, he got any advice now. That means, oh me well off my mother naturally may intimidate. Not money me to shut him down. Mother naturally shut you down. I just want to continue to pray to God and continue to encourage Evangelist Ebuka Obi not to speak no matter what, because we know where this thing is going on. Mana Oga very dangerous. Ma force kata onye ogbi ekwu okwu. That is the honest truth. Oga more desire apikata onye ogbi aka, pikata onye ogbi aka, pikata onye ogbi aka, onye ogbi okwu apia no piaram. Omandekwa mma. Omandemma. Chineke mere anyị ebere. Chineke mere anyị ezigbote ebere. This is someone you say, don't be intimidated. Don't allow them. Allow them who? Who was intimidating him then? If he was not big, and a more will intimidate. Oh, when I heard something, man, actually, I will power suppress. And he came to you as a father, seeking for advice. Seeking for advice. That means he has already been Obebego Ezimuto Ofuma, very modern church in the fight in Bia. 2016-2017. Everybody in Lagos right now, Ebuka Obi, that mother church was announcing it back to back. Name me announce, day in, day out. Name me announce, do him this, do him that. Don't go to his ministry and all what not. Yahweh the way help pastor Yahweh the way help pastor na. Not all the way help pastor na. Kezi haji na actually na 2017 now. We back cruise onye okporo na twarizie na atazi nwa ya na. It's all good. I dị mma. Onye ọbụla ma ebe okwu niile na-aga. And onye ọbụla ma nke bụ eziokwu. Imagine at your level in the work of God. Ikwuchazi okwu wali ne maka onye na-agba ịpụta ịjọ onye kpọrọ aha. Chai. Ojuro obi oyi. Ojuro obi oyi. But as for me, my message, I've dropped my message, and people have comprehended what I'm saying. You cannot encourage an emptiness. You cannot encourage an emptiness. You was only encouraging him not to be intimidated. You also opened your mouth and said that he is spiritually qualified. At the end of the day, you now turn back against him. Okay, can I so? Life no balance at all. Chai. Life no balance at all. Okika na-eso okwu. Okika na-eso okwu. Ndị nọgodi na Lagos mgbe ahụ. Ndị nọgodi na Lagos mgbe na-eme Catholic Church at 10 na 2017 were go ọnụ ha kwuo. Ma ọ na-emega aha Ebuka Obi announce and examiners are now for 1 good year. Both in bulletin. Na Lagos State. 1 good year. Onye na-enwe ihe ọwụ. Onye na-enwe onye ọwụ. Onye na-enwe onye ọwụ. Atakia. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is the same somebody. This is the same person you have, the same Ebuka Obi. You have invited on countless time to thank him for standing for you when everybody kept quiet. The same Ebuka Obi you have invited to thank him back to back for not keeping quiet. Challenges with the mother church. This is unbelievable. I swear to God. The thing now, so unbelievable. A man of that caliber. Into ministry. Why deceiving people? Oh, for the level they can go demand. Hi. Anyway, akwekureku ikpe ga-ebido n'ụlọ nsọ egwuregwu ka a na-egwu ekwurekwu ikpe ga-ebido n'ime chọọchị achịrị egwuregwu anọbe n'ime chọọchị ọ ebido from ndị isi o ọkwa ndị isi ka ya ebu ụzọ ekpere ikpe because I have fuchugo anya. So these are the two facts and the 2 points I want you guys to take home. And when I said I was going to come live, people think I was coming to insult anybody. No. Majority have taken over all those ones. But now, if Ebuka Obi was nobody, now 2017, Casey man now so for straight 1 year. Sagas Laberestre, yeah. Sagas Lema associate with him. Kediki say that advice say Kediki is going onye owo Kediki is go koko Kediki is agba mu onye iberibe ofeke Kediki is go de ofeke. Don't let them to intimidate you. Who is intimidating him? That means he is already strong. That means he is already big and somebody wants to compress him. He needs his advice. Don't be intimidated. Don't be intimidated. It happens to be a Holy Week. Asazio and everybody knows. Everybody now go back on Enugu. Mara na camera be eba. No one ministry camera. Nese photo there. Oh, one ministry camera. Ministry camera nese photo there because you can't snap there. And as at then, Ebuka Obi to be garba around with media people like today. So, Igbo and the even people who are speaking against Ebuka Obi, but you come on internet, you are a social media guru, you are a big blogger, and you are feeding people with lies in the name you want to make money. Well, you know like you see again, Mono one, but one was not there. How can a man of that caliber ipota in the public in the public Ebuka Obi was already doing well before coming to you. Ebuka Obi may be invited back to back. Keleya for standing for you. Even when you had problem with the mother church and everybody was afraid to speak. Ebuka Obi was the only voice standing, speaking for you. I will not say more. I will end it here. Let me go and take my shower and prepare for open heaven. But one thing I want to say is, si apịkatakwala onye ogbi aka n'ọnụ ya ekwu okwu one day. Kwifu onye ogbi hụjugoro anya. Onye ogbi hụjugoro anya. Si apịkatakwala aka n'ọnụ one day okwu atapịa n'ọnụ. Because ọkọ ihe ọ fugoro n'anya ya, nsogbu ya adị. Si apịkatakwala one day Ebuka Obi apụta one day bịa kwuo ihe na-esenụ. Because ọ dịkwa njọ itikwa nwatakịrị ihe si ya mechie ọnụ ya ebezila akwa. Ọ chọkwara njọ. Ọ kwara nke ọha m n'ọnụ. Onye mara asụ sụọ n'ikwe, ịma akwa na-asụ ịsụọ ya n'ụkwụ, ị gaghị asụ ya n'ala. N'elu ọpata gị ka ị ga-asụ ya ka o nwee ike igbu gị ezigbo mgbu. So biko, cut all this video, share it, share the link to so many groups, WhatsApp groups on there. If anybody want to think. If you don't want to think, if you don't want to think, now you sabi. Good night